Number 1. Here's a rare opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. A 1963 Ford Falcon located in Romney, Indiana, is up for grabs. This four-door sedan, painted a vibrant orange, is listed for $7,500, and the owner is open to your best offer. The car's mileage is unknown, but under the hood, it's powered by a 170 cubic inch engine paired with a 2-speed automatic transmission. Most importantly, this Falcon is a runner, drives great, and comes with a clean title. The car's interior has undergone a complete restoration, which is evident in many details. New wiring has been installed, along with fresh front and rear door panels and new door and trunk seals. The cabin features new carpeting, front seat belts, and a new old-style radio with an antenna.
If you're finding value in what we're sharing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more great content. Thank you.
Number 2. For those who appreciate vintage automotive craftsmanship, picture this 1968 Chevrolet Corvair Monza. It's located in Clarkston, Michigan, and is being offered for $14,500. This convertible, one of only 1,386 produced in 1968, has only racked up 37,582 miles. The car spent most of its life garaged and under a cover, and its current owner acquired it from the original owner, a longtime friend, around 1990. Under the hood is the original 164 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The interior retains its original blue color and is in exceptional condition, as is the glass. The car features bucket seats, dual side mirrors, and front and rear bumper guards. Also of note are the aftermarket 14-inch chrome wheels. The blue paint and soft top were refreshed about 25 years ago. This Corvair Monza has been regularly maintained, including a recent professional carburetor rebuild, ensuring it runs strong. The car is ready for cruises, car shows, and parades. The original owner's manual is included. However, it's worth noting that there is some minor rust on the lower fenders and the passenger door. Number 3. This is your chance to own a piece of American automotive history. Up for grabs is a 1974 Dodge Challenger, available in Pearland, Texas for $9,000. Boasting only 10,000 miles, this ride is a real head-turner with its vibrant purple exterior and black interior. It sits on original Challenger wheels, which really complete its vintage vibe. Underneath that eye-popping paint, you'll find a big block automatic transmission. This Challenger recently got a few significant updates: a brand new gas tank, brake booster, wiper motor, and a heater fan. All the glass is in perfect shape, the body shows very little rust, and the floors and trunk pan are in excellent condition. Here's the catch: this Dodge Challenger is missing its engine. However, aside from the missing motor, you're getting a solid 1974 foundation with a good body and plenty of fresh components. It's located in Pearland, Texas, and it's going for $9,000.
I have a 1974 Challenger. You can see all the glass is in perfect condition. No rust around the glass edges like you usually get on these older cars. Body's in great condition. Very, very good condition. The hood came off of another Challenger on Facebook Market, so it does have rust on it. But this isn't the hood for this car, so it is a hood for the car, but a different car. All the quarter panels are good on this side. Very straight body, very little rust on this car. You can see all the glass. You see the interior.
Number 4. Picture yourself cruising down the boulevard. In Alvarado, Texas, a 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass is waiting for you. This car, painted in factory Nordic blue with 116,000 miles on the odometer, is up for grabs for $19,000. The exterior is complemented by taillights, grills, and headlight bezels from a 1971 442 model, and the engine bay is covered by a Fiber Concepts OAI hood with replica hood pins. Under the hood lies a rebuilt and balanced Oldsmobile 455. The engine features aluminum heads, an intake manifold, and valve covers. Inside, you will find high compression forged pistons, factory forged connecting rods, and a cast iron crankshaft. Handling the dynamics are a Comp Cams XE 274 camshaft with Crower lifters and roller rockers. Ignition is handled by an MSD6AL digital ignition system, and fuel delivery by a Holley Sniper system using the stock tank. For comfort in the Texas heat, an old Air Products air conditioning system has been installed along with a new aluminum radiator. Number 5. Looking for a classic off-road adventure, or perhaps a standout cruising machine? This 1968 Chevrolet Impala, located in McKinney, Texas, is ready for its next chapter. With a striking blue exterior and matching original blue interior, it shows 102,672 miles and is priced at $22,000. The owner reports an incredible restoration, saying it's been a lot of fun to drive, but it's time for a new home. Under the hood sits the original 307 motor, paired with a rebuilt Powerglide 2-speed automatic transmission. The restoration included a new radiator, hoses, belts, plugs, wires, high-energy ignition distributor, battery, and gas tank. The carburetor was rebuilt, and a new Flowmaster exhaust, wiper motor, and ignition switch were installed, alongside a concealed kill switch. For braking, new cylinders, pads, assembly parts, a booster and master cylinder are present. The suspension received a thorough refresh. New front and rear control arm bushings, sway bar, linkage, and shocks. Control arms, springs, drive shaft, and the rear end were painted. Front springs were cut 1 coil, and rear springs half a coil for a custom stance, followed by an alignment. It rolls on 17-inch Riddler rims with new 235/55 radial 17 tires, locking lug nuts, and includes a spare Riddler rim. The original blue interior is preserved, complete with factory floor mats. Serious inquiries are welcome for this Impala. Number 6. This classic 1973 Plymouth Valiant/Scamp, which shares its platform with the Dodge Dart, is looking for a new home in San Juan, Texas. Priced at $7,750, this blue-on-white car has 87,000 miles on the odometer. Under the hood, you'll find a slant 6-cylinder engine, often called bulletproof for its reliability, paired with an automatic transmission. This Valiant isn't just sitting around, it's a running and driving car, currently used as a daily driver, and its plates and sticker are all up to date. The seller is motivated and recently dropped the price from $9,500 to its current $7,750, making it an even sweeter deal for someone ready to drive. Number 7. Step into a piece of automotive history with this 1949 Plymouth Deluxe 4-door. This car, with 123,000 miles on the odometer, is available in Louisville, Kentucky for $3,800 cash. Under the hood sits a 218 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine mated to a 3-speed manual transmission with a column shifter. The car has received a new gas tank and an electric fuel pump. The drum brakes and their lines were recently replaced, allowing it to stop well and move confidently around the yard and neighborhood. The body of this Florida registered Plymouth is in good shape, with no major rust. There are photos documenting its stripping and painting process, though the current green color was applied in a home garage setting. Inside, it features a black interior. Included is a new wiring harness with an alternator for a 12-volt conversion, along with many new parts neatly tucked away in the back seat and trunk to complete its restoration. Currently, none of the electrical system is functioning, and it requires a complete rewiring. The engine is started by touching the ignition wire to the battery. Number 8. Step back in time with this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro 2-door from Corinth, Mississippi, which is available for $22,000. This black Camaro with a black interior has already traveled 11,111 miles and is ready to hit the road. Under the hood, it's packing a 350 cubic inch V8 engine with a 4-bolt main paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The rear end is a 12-bolt Pose. The car received new front disc brakes, new rear wheel cylinders and shoes, and all new brake and fuel lines have been run, including a new fuel tank. New front and rear shocks have been installed for a smooth ride. The body wasn't overlooked either. The full floor pan, trunk pan, and driver's side fender have been replaced. Inside, a new B&M shifter with all new linkage has been installed. The front and rear seats have been reupholstered, new carpet has been laid, and new door seals and panels have been installed. Completing the look are new windshield and back glass with all new trim. A heads up, the car still needs paint and bodywork. If you're interested, please note, this is a cash-only deal, no trades. Number 9. Discover a piece of automotive history with this 1969 Dodge Charger located in Lexington, Oklahoma, and offered for $25,000. This is a project car with a clean title, which immediately stands out with its super solid frame rails and rocker panels, creating an excellent foundation for a restoration. Under the hood is its original 318 engine, paired with an automatic transmission. The engine fires right up, providing a good starting point for your work. The vehicle is all there. All the trim and necessary parts are present, so you won't have to hunt for missing pieces all over the place. Currently, the Charger needs some TLC. There's rust in the trunk pan and a bit on the floorboards. The roof will also need replacing, as the vinyl top has led to corrosion in that area. The good news is that all these body panels, such as roof skin panels, are readily available from AMD. In its current condition, the car requires repairs to become roadworthy again, but for $25,000, you get a Charger with its original engine and a solid foundation for your project. Number 10. Up for grabs is a 1964 Chevrolet Impala 4-door sedan, available in Wentzville, Missouri for $4,200 or best offer. This beige Impala, sporting a tan interior, makes for a solid foundation for a summer cruising project. It's got 32,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clear Missouri title in the seller's name. Under the hood, you'll find a 283 engine paired with a 2-speed Power Glide automatic transmission. The engine currently turns over and the car rolls and steers easily, which helps out with transport. It's equipped with factory air conditioning and power steering, definitely adding to its appeal. The body and frame are rock solid, with good floors and a trunk. This Impala remains an original, untouched cruiser. However, it needs some tender, loving care before hitting the road, as rust is present on the front seat braces, the rear mounts behind the wheel tubs, the lower front fenders, and the front inside corner of the trunk lid. Even with these issues, its overall structural integrity makes it a pretty straightforward project. This Impala in Wentzville, Missouri offers a chance to get your hands on a classic sedan with good bones, ready for its next chapter of restoration and enjoyment. Number 11. Here's a fantastic opportunity for any classic car enthusiast. In Madisonville, Kentucky, a 1972 Chevrolet Nova Coupe with 123,456 miles is available as a turnkey machine for $32,000. This Nova is ready for action, whether you want to hit the drag strip for bracket racing or enjoy a spirited drive on the street. Under the fiberglass front end, complete with working headlights, sits a 355 small block engine running on gas, paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. It's equipped with new coated headers and an entirely new ignition system, featuring a 6AL unit and distributor. The serious chassis upgrades include a back half setup with a 4-link rear suspension, a 9-inch Ford rear end, QA1 shocks, tubular upper and lower control arms, and all-around stopping power from 4 Willwood disc brakes. The exterior boasts a fiberglass hood and deck lid, complemented by new Lexan front and rear windows. Number 12. Whether you're a collector or a restoration enthusiast, check out this 1965 Ford Galaxie 500, hailing from Morganton, North Carolina. This ride, which Carlton Foster picked up from Sanders Motor Company in Raleigh back in October of '65, is now offered for $24,500. You're looking at an example with all original white paint and a matching original black interior. All chrome, trim, weather stripping, and glass are also factory original. The body, floors, and trunk pan retain their original metal, and you won't find a speck of rust anywhere. The odometer shows just 79,832 original miles. Under the hood is a factory original 289 cubic inch engine paired with an automatic transmission. Features include power steering, tinted glass, AM radio, and dual exhaust. This car rolls on Magnum 500 wheels and also features front and rear bumper guards, dual exterior mirrors, and window rain guards. This Galaxie runs and drives like a dream. Number 13. Imagine cruising the roads in a classic 1957 Buick Special 40 hardtop. This model, located in Wichita Falls, Texas, is available for $62,000 and has 77,427 miles on the clock. It's powered by a 364 nailhead V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it a dream to drive. Harley Earl and his team at Buick crafted this design, which is considered one of the best classic designs of the 50s. This Buick has undergone a complete restoration. Inside, you'll find a custom two-tone leather interior in tan, specifically chosen to preserve the car's original aesthetic. On the exterior, the body lines are accentuated by a two-tone show-quality paint job, with the main exterior color being brown. For peace of mind, the power steering, power brakes, and the entire driveline have all been thoroughly checked and confirmed. The seller is not accepting trades for this vehicle. However, for those interested, financing and delivery options are available, offering convenience for its next owner. Number 14. Take a trip back in time with this 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible, located in Indianapolis, Indiana, and offered for $85,000. This car has 54,000 miles on it and is in really great shape. Under the hood, you'll find its original 265 engine, paired with a 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission. The body shows off a beautiful paint job, and the chrome gleams. The exterior and interior are done up in a matching red color. Everything about this Bel Air is period correct, making it a truly solid and authentic piece. A car like this, with its authentic engine and eye-catching looks, is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Number 15. Introducing a classic reimagined. This 1968 Chevrolet Malibu 4-door sedan is located in Buckeye, Arkansas, and is offered for $2,200. It's a runner with 60,000 miles on the odometer. Under the hood is a 327 engine from a 1964 to 1965 model. Swapped in long ago, this motor runs great, purring on all 8 cylinders, and is equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor with high-energy ignition. The 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and the glass is in good shape. The car recently received a new battery and spark plugs and was winterized. However, there are a few quirks to note about this particular vehicle. Currently, it has no brakes and no title. The Malibu starts with a screwdriver, as there's no ignition switch and the trunk latch is missing. There's rust on the body and undercarriage, and the car runs off an external fuel source. Even so, it starts right up and drives. The price is negotiable, or best offer, making it an interesting option for a rat rod project or as a parts car. Number 16. Step into the world of vintage automotive passion with this 1968 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport 396, available in Sacramento, California for $19,995. This Impala embodies the power and style of late 1960s American muscle cars, packing a legendary Chevrolet V8 engine measuring 396 cubic inches, paired with an automatic transmission. Outside, it's dressed in an eye-catching red paint job, perfectly complemented by a black vinyl top and a matching black vinyl interior. This ride rolls on American Racing Special Edition wheels, wrapped in Falcon ZXZ 512 tires, blending classic looks with modern grip. Dual antennas add a distinctive period-correct touch. Inside, the black vinyl interior offers a comfortable and functional driving experience. For added practicality, an iEquus auxiliary gauge cluster has been installed, providing real-time readouts for battery voltage, oil pressure, and water temperature. The odometer reads 91,670 miles, a testament to its journey. This Impala Super Sport delivers the characteristic punch and charisma expected from its 396 cubic inch V8, ready for cruising or hitting up local car shows. Financing is available. Number 17. Here's a rare gem that offers a glimpse into the past, presenting a 1977 Chevrolet El Camino Classic located in Cinnaminson Township, New Jersey. This vehicle boasts a mere 34,796 miles, and its history is remarkable. It's been a one-family owner since new. The asking price is $20,500. This El Camino truly shines with its completely original red paint and matching red interior. The body is completely rust-free. Under the hood is a 350 cubic inch engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, paired with an automatic transmission that delivers super smooth shifts. Factory options include air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, and an AM radio with an 8-track player. This is a true survivor car, which speaks to its outstanding originality and preservation over the years. El Caminos in this condition are becoming increasingly hard to find. This gem can be yours for $20,500. Payment is accepted only by cash or bank wire transfer. Number 18. Take a step back in time with this red 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS convertible, which has 72,000 miles on the odometer and is waiting for you in Fairfax, Virginia. This is the real deal, an authentic SS convertible, verified by its vehicle identification number 1467 and trim code 879. Under the hood, you'll find a fresh Blueprint 350 engine from Jegs with only 100 miles on it and all the receipts to back it up. Paired with it is a 4-speed manual transmission boasting a brand new clutch. This means the car is road ready and itching to hit the pavement. Inside, you'll be greeted by a beautiful interior, and a new power top lets you quickly enjoy open-air cruising. All the chrome trim and moldings are in excellent shape, and the car's body is solid. This Impala, with a clean Virginia title, is priced at $55,000. For those willing to put in a little elbow grease, it's worth noting that the car will need floor pan repair, an exhaust system replacement, and some paintwork. Number 19. Here's your chance to own a custom 1981 Chevrolet Malibu located in Coopersburg, Pennsylvania. This black-on-black auto, showing only 1,234 miles, is ready to turn heads. Offered for $31,500, the price is negotiable and the seller is open to offers. Underneath the 3-inch fiberglass hood sits a big block Chevy engine, 454 cubic inches, equipped with an Edelbrock torquer, 2 intake manifold, and a Holley P80 750 cubic feet per minute carburetor, which was rebuilt in April 2024. Cooling is provided by a cold case aluminum radiator and 2 12-inch fans. Power is transmitted through a Turbo 400 transmission with an FTI performance torque converter and an ATIM&M shifter. For handling, the car is equipped with front and rear coilovers, BMR front control arms, a UMI front sway bar, as well as a full set of front and rear disc brakes. The 12-bolt rear end uses an Eaton Posey differential and 30 spline axles. Inside, new Recaro LX seats are complemented by a Momo Mod 8 suede steering wheel, a new vintage gauge cluster, and additional AEM oil temperature and wideband oxygen sensors. Exterior enhancements include a racer's edge fiberglass front bumper and GNX fender flares. This Malibu rolls on Nismo L MGT1 wheels, 18 by 11 inches in the front with two 95/30 tires and 18 by 12 inches in the rear with three 15/30 tires. Number 20. Discover your next restoration project with this 1973 Lincoln Continental sedan 4-door, available in Belmore, New York, for $3,500. This car is currently running, drives, and stops, and is even still actively driven on the road. Under the hood of this Lincoln Continental is a 460 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. It recently received a new carburetor, a new radiator, and a new starter, keeping it in good running condition. The car's exterior is painted gold, and the interior features a tan and brown color scheme. The odometer reads 44,608 miles. If this sedan catches your eye, keep in mind that the price is negotiable, so feel free to make an offer. Number 21. Here's a rare gem that offers a glimpse into the past. This 1967 Pontiac Firebird, sporting a 400 cubic inch engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, is offered in Henderson, Nevada for the asking price of $30,000. It features a blue exterior and a matching blue interior with just 11,111 miles showing on the odometer. This Firebird looks terrific and drives like a dream. The Pontiac 400 engine, its 4-speed manual gearbox, and potentially the rear end are numbers matching, with Pontiac Historical Services documentation to back it up. The body panels are straight, with a fresh paint job, and it's completely rust-free. The interior has been completely redone, and all the chrome trim and bumpers are new. The front end recently received a tubular coilover suspension setup. The engine fires right up every time and shifts smoothly thanks to a new clutch. A 4-row radiator with dual fans and a new water pump have been installed. The car was originally equipped with air conditioning and now boasts a new condenser and evaporator. The remaining components will need to be installed for the system to be fully operational. This is a very solid first-generation Firebird, not a show queen, but definitely a driver. Number 22. A 1972 Cadillac Eldorado Crown Custom Cabriolet Coupe awaits its new owner in Nottingham, New Hampshire. This rare unit, equipped with the Crown Cabriolet package, offers a commanding presence and true American comfort for $9,500. The snow-white body, combined with a vibrant red interior, immediately makes a statement about its personality. Under the hood of this full-size cruiser is a legendary V8 engine measuring 8.2 liters, 500 cubic inches, with side pipes unmistakably hinting at its raw power. A 3-speed automatic turbo-hydromatic transmission sends power to the front wheels, ensuring a smooth and confident ride. With a mere 79,207 miles on the odometer, this Cadillac has lived its life in California, garage kept, and has never seen winter roads. The excellent condition of the frame is a testament to its reliability. This sturdy car is ready to hit the road and remains fully capable of daily driving, showcasing classic style and the ability to deliver that true American driving experience. Number 23. Here's a rare opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. Introducing a 1964 Dodge Dart 270 convertible located in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. This classic is going for $17,000. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.7-liter slant-6 engine paired with an automatic transmission that's been rebuilt. The odometer shows 18,917 miles, and it's been garage kept its entire life. To keep this ride in tip-top shape, serious investments have been made. New tires and brakes have been installed, ensuring current safety and excellent handling. The convertible top has been completely replaced, all interior components have been refreshed, and a new windshield installed, bringing back its original curb appeal and enhancing interior comfort. Number 24. Introducing a classic reimagined. This Oldsmobile 98 Holiday, a 1953 model located in West Babylon, New York, is offered for $75,000. It's not just a meticulously restored example, but a full-blown restomod, where classic aesthetics have been paired with modern internals for a comfortable and dynamic ride. Under its blue body, harmoniously complemented by a blue interior, lies an LS1 engine paired with an automatic transmission. These upgrades, along with front disc brakes, make the Oldsmobile not just a show car, but a completely roadworthy driver. Driver and passenger comfort are enhanced by power windows and power seats. Following all these modifications, the car has only traveled 35,000 miles. This Oldsmobile is a turnkey project for those who appreciate the visual splendor of the 50s, but aren't willing to put up with the quirks of that era's handling, preferring to enjoy cruises without worrying about old technology. From a luxurious 50s restomod, let's move on to a completely different type of vehicle. Number 25. Imagine the adventures that await you with this 1950 Pontiac Silver Streak, available for $19,500 in Reno, Nevada. This particular Silver Streak holds a neat story, having been sold new right there in Reno back in 1950, and it remains one of the cleaner examples from its era you're likely to find. While it shows 62,000 miles on the clock, its mechanical heart received a significant update 5 years ago. The original flathead engine made way for a robust 305 Chevy, coupled with a 700R overdrive automatic transmission. This isn't just a performance upgrade, it was a practical conversion specifically set up to confidently pull a vintage travel trailer, complete with electric brakes and a dedicated tow package. Beyond the powertrain, modern comforts like vintage air conditioning and heating have been subtly integrated, ensuring pleasant journeys regardless of the weather. Finished in an appealing green exterior with a gray interior, the car benefits from very good paint, along with recent new tires and brakes, making it genuinely ready for the road. This Pontiac offers a blend of classic aesthetics and reliable modernized capability for cruising or towing your next project. Please note, the owner isn't looking for trades at this time. Number 26. Here's a rare opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. Presenting a 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz, a two-door coupe located in Revere, Massachusetts. This example boasts just over 31,000 original miles. Its condition is truly impressive. The interior, undercarriage, and engine bay all look impeccable. This is an all-original car where every single feature functions as it should, from the air conditioning and air shocks to the 8-track player. It's not just a car, it's a real head-turner drawing attention on the road. The car needs absolutely nothing and is ready for immediate enjoyment. Included is a new custom-fit car cover and even a collection of 8-track tapes as a nice bonus. The owner, though reluctantly, is willing to let this treasure go for $25,000 if it finds an owner who will care for it just as meticulously. The price is firm, and it is well justified by the car's condition, which truly needs nothing but a good road.
of the 63.
Our overdrive automatic